Welcome back if you watched my last video, and today we're going to be doing an invisible locks tutorial. I did the first two rows off camera, but I followed the same process. So what I'm going to do is part out a square and then put product around the whole square. After adding product, it's very important that you smooth out the hair with an edge brush or like a comb and just working in the product. Next, I'm going to take my comb and split this square directly down the middle into two parts. Comb the section on the left side and then comb the section on the right side. Add some product down the middle. Then I place one piece of Cuban twist hair on my client's shoulder so it'll be easier and quicker to grab. And I start twisting her hair towards the left. So you twist the left side towards the left. As I'm twisting, you'll see me pushing like excess hair out of the way so we only get hair from the left side in the left twist. After twisting, you want to add a clip to the left side. Then begin twisting the right side to the right. To attach the twist hair, you want to twist the client's hair to the right and twist the twist hair to the right. Then twist the left side of the twist hair to the left and the left side of your client's hair to the left. Then crisscross, which means twist them over each other. Keep a tight grip and continue twisting downward. I would recommend adding product up here to make sure it's a smooth transition where you attach the hair. Twist the twist all the way down to the end of the hair. I'm going to show the process of me attaching the hair one more time, and then I'm going to show y'all how to do the little barrels at the bottom. So once you finish twisting the hair all the way to the ends, you want to measure it on side of a twist you did before, and then just wrap it around itself upwards. To seal the ball, I use a rubber band, and I just twist the rubber band around itself until it gets really tight and I can't twist it anymore. So this style had 6 rows total, 2 at the back behind the ear, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the top. And this was the finished look. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more videos. And if y'all want, y'all can request like certain hairstyles that y'all want me to do, and I'll do them.